Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy churros at home. We'll start by gathering some simple, wholesome ingredients. Instead of traditional flour, we'll use a whole wheat option, and we'll swap out some of the sugar for natural sweeteners. This approach helps reduce calories and increase fiber, making your churros a guilt-free treat. Get ready to bake a delicious and healthier version of this classic dessert. Now let's get to the heart of our churros, the dough. We'll combine whole wheat flour with water, a touch of natural sweetener, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until it forms a soft, pliable dough. Once cooled slightly, transfer your dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip, ready for shaping. Instead of deep frying, we're going to bake or air fry our churros for a much healthier outcome. If using an air fryer, cook them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, flipping halfway. For baking, place them on parchment paper and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until golden and crisp. This method significantly cuts down on unhealthy fats. Finally, let's add some delicious, healthy toppings to our freshly baked churros. Instead of a heavy sugar coating, we'll lightly dust them with a mixture of cinnamon and a natural sweetener like stevia. For dipping, prepare a simple sauce using melted dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. These healthier churros are now ready to be enjoyed as a delightful and guilt-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.